Everyone likes to watch and play sports. Have you ever thought about how is speed of ball is measured while throwing it in air? For this, there is a type of device called speed gun. We use this speed gun in sports like a cricket match, a baseball match, football, basketball, and even we have seen this device the traffic police on the road used to measure the speed of moving vehicles, and we can also use it in many other fields. So in this video we'll discuss about speed gun, how it is working, and the technology behind this. Speed gun is a device used to measure the speed of moving object from one point to another point. It is also called radar gun. It is mostly used by traffic police to measure the speed of a vehicle on a road. And sometimes we use this device in sports as well. In games like cricket and baseball, we use speed gun to measure the speed of a ball. There is a phenomena called Doppler effect behind all this speed gun. It was discovered by Austrian scientist Christian Doppler. In a simple language, example of Doppler effect is if a train is far away, we hear its sound very little, and as the train comes closer, it sound louder, and when the train crosses, we hearing less, and also the sound goes along with it. This is called Doppler effect. Radar stands for radio detection and ranging. Radar is an electronic device that uses radio waves to measure the speed and position of an object. There is a type of Doppler radar present inside a speed gun. With the help of this, it measures the speed, and outside the transmitter and receiver is present. Speed gun emits a radio waves on an incoming ball, and when the radio waves hit the ball, it reflects back to gun. Due to reflected radio wave, we know the speed of a ball, and the speed of ball is written in this back screen, which is very accurate and correct, and hence we get speed of a moving ball. It works not only on land. It can measure the speed of a boat floating on a water and also airplane flying in the sky. It has range from 1 to 2 kilometer, and as you know that this gun emit radio waves no matter what the weather is, rainy, foggy, smoke or snowfall, it will tell the accurate speed. There is only one drawback: it cannot show the position of an object correctly.